So today we're looking at the range of impact drills, wrenches that are available with dual power. The wonderful thing about the batteries, just remember your 20 volt comes in a 1.5 amp hour as well as a 2.5 amp hour. Obviously the 2.5 lasts a lot longer, and then your 40 volt comes in a 2.5 amp hour. The 2.5 hours of charging time versus a 1 hour charging time, so really quick on a charger that does both 20 and 40 volt. So let's start out on this side. You got a 20 volt impact wrench, which again, one battery platform. You can use it on the 40 volt or you can use it on the 20 volt battery, doesn't matter. What's wonderful about these range is that they all use the Japanese Mabuchi motors, and this is a 220 Newton meter torque strength and really powerful. Obviously you got your reverse function and really a great drill. Moving on to our impact screwdriver. Now the impact screwdriver has got a 150 Newton meter torque. I'm going to test it on the 40 volt drill, and again, forward and reverse functions. It takes the screwdriver bits, it takes your posi bits all in the front, and you fit them in there. And obviously for roofing, decking, just a lot hardier when it comes to screwing in your different screws and roof bolts, that kind of thing. Then we move on to our drill screwdriver combo. Now let's use this one again just because it's interchangeable. What's wonderful about this is it is a metal keyless chuck as well as 15 Newton meter torque. You've got your settings as any of your cordless drills, right up to the lowest, and then your drill function and forward and reverse as well with your light to see where you are drilling. And then finally our basically DIY, or let me just say this about the drill and screwdriver, is this is good for wood and metal in terms of drilling and screwing. Now this all-rounder is a concrete or impact drill as well as a screwdriver and a drill, so this can work on wood, steel and concrete, and then also with your adjustable torque strength, 15 Newton meter torque, Japanese Mabuchi motor, steel keyless chuck, a wonderful drill, forward and reverse. So this is the range of power tools, cordless power tools from Dual Power Plus. Any more information around the speeds you can find on the website at redrhino.co.za.